U of I researchers at the Beckman Institute are working with a machine that takes 3D printing to a whole new dimension. They say one day it could help develop new treatment for cancer. Dr. Rohit Bhargava and his team are developing a machine that might one day help cancer patients.
If we can actually replicate a tumor consistently, then we would have a good kind of model or standard system in order to test other technologies on.
It's a new spin on 3D printing.
At one end of this machine is, you might consider, a toothpaste tube. And we're applying a constant pressure, so we're squeezing material out of the toothpaste tube, except now imagine your toothpaste tube is heated.
It can create something about as small as you can imagine. This 3D printed bunny is only about the size of my fingernail, but this machine is actually able to print objects that are only a fraction of the size of a single piece of hair. Here's the idea. You start with a sugar called isomalt. Heat it into a form that looks like this. Feed that into the machine, which then is programmed to print these very exact designs. You take the isomalt out, and you're left with a space cells could grow in and become an exact living replica of body tissue.
We're trying to reproduce structures that we see in our body, and there are no rectangular cross sections in our body. Everything is circular. Our blood vessels, all the ducts in our body, our airways, there are circular.
That's why he says this truly 3D approach to 3D printing is crucial, and this could be a medical breakthrough. Troy Comey told us bunnies and block eyes are just the start of what this machine is capable of doing.
Eventually what we could do is take a CT or a CAT scan and utilize that to model the vascular system within a specific patient's tumor and then possibly test different drugs on that.
Dr. Bhargava says he had students from multiple different areas of study working on this project, so it was that collaborative work plus funding from the Beckman Institute that made all of this possible.